Hello guys, welcome to this honorable channel. So this is the Hamster Kombat Mini-Game for today, 24th of July 2024. It has been solved and the video is gonna be played in slow-mo. So please, you can watch it number of times, and trust me, if you have two phones, you can watch it on one while you solve the puzzle on the other. Without much ado guys, let's dive in. And that was it guys. If you think you can't remember all at once, please watch over and over again. And please do well to subscribe to Crypto Fountain if you have not done so. Please like the video, drop a positive comment, and also